Hi, Disney Playtime here. Today we're going to be opening this Frozen Glitter Glider playset. And here is the set. We get Anna, Olaf and Elsa. And Anna and Elsa have the most beautiful sparkly dresses. And underneath each of them, they both have some wheels. That's going to help them glide, and you can see there that Olaf has a ball under him as well, which helps him glide. So we're just going to get these dolls out next. Here we have our dolls. We'll look at Anna first. Anna has this gorgeous blue sparkly dress, which is very, very beautiful. And then underneath she has these wheels and she just glides. That is so cool. Spins round beautifully. Great for dancing. And then Elsa has a gorgeous dress. This is a bluey green dress. It is absolutely beautiful. And Elsa also has the wheels that go round. And she can glide too. And they can both glide together. You can have so much fun with these dolls. And then we have Olaf as well. Even Olaf can glide because he has a ball on the bottom of him. He's very cute, isn't he? We always love Olaf. Right, let's watch him have a go then. Here he goes. You can just imagine him doing this on ice, can't you? Sliding along on the ice. These are so much fun. And as these are Magiclip dolls, the dresses come off as well. And you can put them onto other dolls. And we have Ariel here, so we're going to put Ariel into Anna's dress. Here's Ariel. And Ariel can now glide. We'll put somebody else in Elsa's dress too. Let's put Rapunzel in Elsa's dress. Oh, Rapunzel looks gorgeous. Look at her. Wow. Beautiful. Let's put Anna into one of the dresses. We'll put Anna into Ariel's dress. And we'll put Elsa into Rapunzel's dress. Let's put Belle into one of these dresses now. We're going to put Belle into Elsa's dress. Oh, gorgeous. We're going to put Merida into Anna's dress. We'll put Rapunzel in Merida's dress. And then Ariel can wear Belle's dress. Beautiful girls. Well, let's let Merida and Belle have a glide. These are so cool. We'll put them all back into their own dresses now. And then we are going to make a brand new dress for both Anna and Elsa, made of Play-Doh. Oh look, I've put Anna into Elsa's dress. Well, that's kind of fun. It was a mistake, but they look really good. We'll let Elsa have a turn in Anna's dress too. We'll put them back in their own dresses now. And now we'll make Anna and Elsa their brand new Play-Doh dress. We're going to make a dress for Elsa first, and Elsa's dress will be blue and white. So we'll start by making a base for Elsa to stand in. And now we'll make Elsa's dress. We're going to start with the underneath, which is going to be white. Blue, which is going to be the outer skirt. We're going to make a shawl now to put around Elsa's shoulders. And now we're going to make some tiny little gem-like dots to go here. I'm going to put these around Elsa's belt and down the side of her dress as well. also going to add some of these in blue to Elsa's top. And lastly, we're going to add a heart to Elsa, and we're going to just take this one away and put the heart on here. Oh, Elsa looks gorgeous. Do let me know what you think of Elsa's dress in the comments section. And that was Anna's turn for a new dress. We're going to give Anna a pink dress. We'll start with the base. And we're going to make Anna's dress. Dress is ready to put onto Anna. Finishing touches, we have this beautiful bow which is both the light and dark pink on it, and that will go here. And then we've got a lovely rose for Anna. And then Anna's beautiful new dress is finished. Doesn't she look gorgeous? I'd love to know what you think of Anna and Elsa's new dresses, so please leave me a comment in the comments section. And whose do you like best today? I think my favourite is Anna's. I love these pink colours, they're so pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and remember to subscribe to Disney Playtime for more from Frozen. Stay tuned for more from Elsa, Anna and Play-Doh.